Racing Jazz is started with Tabing Ilog. Break quickly to start rushing upon the outside. Now is Incredible Hook. Classical Play. Then next on is Mark. Jason Hill, right direction. Comes next Boss Benji. While Charm Offensive is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Incredible Hook. Takes command by about half length. Classical Play in second. Tabing Ilog is racing in third. Then next online now is Right Direction. Boss Benji. Then followed now by Mark Jason Hill, while Charm Offensive is still in last. Another 4 turn with Incredible Hook, enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second is Classical Play. Tabing Ilog comes next, then comes Boss Benji. Right Direction, Charm Offensive comes next, then moving upon the outside is Mark Jason Hill, and they are now entering the home stretch with Incredible Hook, leads by about 6 lengths. Tabing Ilog, the Classical Play, moving upon the outside, Boss Benji. Charm Offensive is down on the inside, last 50 meters. It's all Incredible Hook. The second, Charm Offensive. Then comes Boss Benji. Right Direction.
Alright, tignan natin. Prueba natin si Incredible Hook. Nagbabalik.